And leadership is about 3 simple things. Over the next 90 days, focus monomaniacally on 3 simple things. Let me give you some really powerful science before I share those 3 simple things. Here's what University College London says. It takes 66 days to install a new habit so that it reaches the point of automaticity. That's why a lot of us go to an event, we like the ideas, and there's no change. How many people have gone to an event, you've heard some great information, and nothing changes? Show of hands. Okay, this is really key, ladies and gentlemen. No idea will work unless you do the work. Could we hold hands and just say that together, please, on the count of 3? Say that. Just seriously. No idea will work unless I do the work.